Alright folks, welcome back to the dawn of world sports. I am the Donfather and I'm now going to be doing a quick reaction. Nothing majorly exciting here, but I'm looking forward to it because I did the playoff theme song for the 2019 season for the Calgary Flames, and somebody says you need to check out the Go Horn, buddy. So I was like, right, no problem at all, we'll do it. We're going to check out the Calgary Flames 2020 Go Horn. Let's go. A little bit of AC/DC, TNT. Brilliant. Raise the roof. I love that club patch with the sea on fire and the red background. You can imagine the lights going off. That was quality. I actually got asked to check out the song for the Blackhawks and I listened to it. It's Fratelli's Chelsea Dagger, I think. And they're actually from, that band there would be from Scotland as well. But that tune in itself, absolutely brilliant tune. I love how in hockey they do that. I mean, it's almost like a night out in a way. Going to the hockey, you get your drink, you've got the entertainment, there's music, there's flashing lights. It's a whole family vibe, and it's sport. I think it's fantastic. We don't really have anything like that other than if you went to an actual hockey game in the UK, which I haven't done yet. I'm looking to go and see the Belfast Giants play, and I might even do a video log of that. I know there's another YouTuber actually from Belfast doing that. I don't personally know him. He's living, as I said, I live in Northern Ireland as well. I'm actually in a town further down from him, not too far actually, but yeah. And he had did it, so I actually might do it as well, because I've not actually experienced a live hockey game before. I know it's probably not as good a standard, well, it's definitely not as good a standard as your hockey league that you've got, the National Hockey League there, but the same sort of idea, the music playing after a goal, the intros with the players. I think it's really smart and cool. As I said, we don't actually have that. You like rugby, soccer. It's not really that sort of same vibe, if you like. That's more like like going to see a concert nearly, but a sporting event. Whereas if I was going to the football game here, the soccer here, it would be a lot more crowd chanting and singing and stuff. I know you would have the odd songs playing over the tannoys as well, but nothing like that with the kind of flashing lights as such. But really cool. I enjoyed it. I will check out a couple of other ones. If anybody's got any recommendations for things in the sort of playoff song that they think I might like, let me know, because I do want to check them out. I really enjoyed the Calgary Flames theme song for the 2019 playoff. Obviously, we're not too sure what's happening with the 2020 playoffs yet, but I'm looking forward to see what their song is for that, because they're all personalised songs with different lyrics, and I like that. I like how they've done that. Really cool. It's like a dance tune, wasn't it? Really upbeat, really lifts the spirits, and it just taps into that sort of excitement of playing playoffs hockey, if you like, you know what I mean? So anyway, thanks for watching, and there'll be more hockey videos coming pronto. See you all soon.